art is a key area when you're learning fashion design. So design has to be placing, and it'll be placing to the viewer or the wearer. So that's the whole idea of the design, so that should give pleasure to the creator as well as the viewer or the spectator or the wearer. So there are a few things that you need to consider as a fashion designer. As I said earlier, you don't need to have any formal qualifications. Only thing I ask you to do is to become a practical thinker. Always think. And what a lot of fashion designers do is they design for themselves. I like this one, so I go and design that. But then it's okay to do that. But then if you're trying to sell, if you want to make money out of it, it's not what you like. It's who your customer is, and what is your customers like. So if you don't understand that, and you won't be able to sell a lot of your designs, and that's going to be a struggle. So in order for you to be successful from day one, from your design to the sale, and the customer is wearing that, so you need to really think about that. What is your end goal, and how do you start creating to cater for the end goal successfully? So that's why this fundamentals of art part really matters. So we're going to look at the first part in this is harmony. So what is harmony? So harmony is achieved when all elements work together. So harmony in anything is like things are working hand in hand, everything works together. And so let's say when you look at something, think how you look at things. You just scan from left to right and top to bottom. That is the first thing, how anybody will look at something. So in order for you to place that viewer, thinking of that, and how do you harmonize your design and connect things together just to place the eye of the wearer, or the person who's watching or viewing, and how do you place that? So that's why it's really important to think about harmony, and how to create the harmony. So if you really think about the harmony, it refers to elements of likeness. So when I say elements of likeness, what does the viewer like? What does the wearer like? So, and that's why we decide who we are designing for at the beginning, who's your target customer. In other lessons, in the other videos or sections, you will realize, we're going to talk about creating an avatar. So that is your ideal customer. What do they think? What do they like? What do they eat? All those things matter, because clothes are a major part of our societies or the humans. How you wear your clothes, how do you like them, what type of fibers you like, and the design. First thing is the design. And when people go shopping, first thing they look at is the design, and if they like the design, and then only they go and touch the fabric and feel the fabric. So design is the first thing that will attract them. So how do you attract them for something they like, and how you go and create that, and what elements you're looking to from the beginning to create your successful design. So when I say element, it refers to the elements of likeness, but not necessarily the sameness. So sameness sometimes could be boring, and it's just, and also you got to have your signature. It's always good to get ideas from other designers for inspiration, but then you got to put your touch into it. If you like a design, and don't copy other people's design straight off, and you can just improve that. And in that design, what you don't like, and what you like, and what you like to add on top of that. So that's the thing that you need to consider as a designer. If you're just picking up fashion designing or clothes designing, any design, but here we're only talking about fashion, because I don't know about anything else. I'm just a tailor fashion designer who's been working in the industry for many years. But that's all I know, right? So don't ask me anything else. But so harmony is a key factor that you need to consider in your design journey. So think about it next time you go out there, next time you analyze things, put this hat on and start thinking that way.